Hi, Kuya Eddie. Happy birthday. Hopefully, you'll have many more to come.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, Wowo. I love you. I miss you.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday.
Birthday, Grandpa. Best wishes.
Joy at Canada.
Hope to see you soon. Be healthy and make sure you take care of yourself. Love you.
Love you.
Hi, Daddy. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Daddy.
Enjoy. See you po soon. Ingat po lagi.
Love you.
Happy birthday, Daddy.
Hello, Daddy! Kamusta ka na dyan? It's your birthday na! Happy birthday sa'yo! Even though this is the first time na parang hindi ka nag-celebrate ng birthday dito. Wishing you all the best, good health, kailangan lagi kang malakas. Thank you for everything. Sa lahat ng ginagawa mo sa amin, sa mga anak mo, kay Mami, sa pagiging laging nandiyan, na tulungan kami sa kahit anong paraan. Thank you. We're so lucky to have you being our captain sa isang bangka o barko na isinakay mo kami lahat in a good trip sa magandang paglalakbay, magandang buhay. Salamat. Hindi kami magkakaganito kung di dahil sa'yo. Thank you for everything. And God bless always. We love you. I love you. Happy birthday. Thank you.
Happy birthday, Tito Eddie. Happy birthday, Kuya Eddie. 75 ka na.
Happy birthday! Happy 76th birthday! Good health. My wish is good health, safe and healthy. O masaya ng birthday mo dyan. O mga bata, talagang love na love ka ng mga apo mo, ng manugang mo, ng anak mo. Ang saya mo dyan, masaya ang iyong birthday sa Canada. This is a big event and memories. Hindi makakalimutan yan. Pag uwi mo dito, marami kang kwento. Masaya ang iyong birthday celebration. Happy birthday, my dear. Ano na tayo? Patanda na tayo na patanda. Hindi na tayo bumabata. Kaya enjoy your life. Basta mahirap mag-enjoy, wala mong pera. Ang yun ang mahirap. Enjoy, madali sabi, enjoy. But have no money. Kaya basta, it's better na, na lang, just ready yourself, ready to your you must when your soul ready. Always pray and pray. Don't lose hope. Laging may pag-asa, laging may biyaya galing sa Diyos. Yung mabuhay ka lang ng matagal sa mundo at tuminga ka kabukasan is just a big blessing. Hindi na natin, nalampasan na natin yung kaya lang pray more prayers and more pray na ikaw ay bigyan pa ng lakas ng Diyos. Yun ang the best gift sa'yo, malakas. Bawal na magkasakit, bawal ma-hospital. Kaya, lagi kang nagdarasal. Siya lang naman ang ating pag-asa, lakas. Without Him, we are nothing. Kaya, save our souls by means of good things. Magkaroon tayo ng mga magandang buhay na makatulong at tumulong sa kapwa, lalo na yung mga needy. That is very important in our life. Number one is God in our life. God is the center of our family and our life. That's all. And also, Mama Mary, she's our mother na namamagitan sa atin lagi, praying for us, na tayo ay tayo mailapit sa Panginoon Diyos. At kailangan yun na natin siya pagdating ng sa kabilang buhay. Kasi pag nagdadasal tayo sa Kanya, tutulungan tayong makalapit sa anak niya. Kaya, be prayerful. Huwag mong kakalimutan niya magdasal lagi, magsimba. Yun na lang ating sa ating pagtanda, yun lang ating what's that? It is our blessing na. Yan na lang ang blessing natin na matatanggap lagi sa araw-araw. Be prayerful and very godly. And also, ang mga anak natin, hanggang na malakas pa tayo, hanggang makikita pa natin sila, nakakausap, we are happy na. Nakakaraos naman tayo sa araw-araw. Yan talaga ang buhay. Hindi natin maiwasan ng problema. Talagang kasama natin sa buhay. Kaya lang maging matatag tayo, maging matibay ang ating pananampalataya sa Diyos. I hope you are enjoying your birthday today. You are so happy today. And more blessing. At saka ganun, mga apo mo, enjoy na kasama ka. They are happy, you are there. Sayang kasi, hindi na ako makasama. Gustuin ko man sumama, wala pa yung visa. Kaya, next time siguro, God's will, the Lord's will be done. Gusto ko tayong dalawa naman, magkasama ulit dyan. Sana at saka isa pa, enjoy tayo pagpunta dyan. At maging masaya tayong lahat. The more we are aging, the more we enjoy our life with the Lord and with our family. I love you. God bless. And happy birthday, my dear. Mwah! Hi! Hi! Bye-bye! Okay na! Bakit hindi pa to tapos? Dami ko na nasabi hindi pa tapos. Okay, no more.